It's summertime, and I hope many of you are enjoying your well-deserved break. However, the creators of Whiteboard.Chat just do not stop. They have made some layout enhancements in the new and improved Whiteboard.Chat version 2.0. In this short video tutorial, I will walk you through the new layout, showing you where you can find all of the awesome tools and features that you have grown to love using this platform. So let's jump right into it. Here to the left, you can see a more simplified toolbar. If you recall, in the older version, the toolbar housed just about everything. But in version 2.0, it is not as busy and has fewer options appearing here. What's neat is that the additional space allows you to customize the toolbar to your liking by selecting frequently used tools, clicking on the heart right next to it, and you'll notice that it will appear right here at the top. Another enhancement is that you can find all of the drawing and writing tools located right here at the top. If you recall, in the older version, it was located at the bottom right, but no need to fret, all of the same features are still here. You have the dash pen, highlighter, ability to change the font, thickness, lightness, and pen color. This icon here, labeled Gizmos, opens up all of the manipulatives and symbols available. Clicking on the arrow, you can see that they're organized by category, making it easier for you to locate what you're looking for. Also to the right, we have this icon labeled Widgets, where the clock, calculator, spinner, and also the factory tile is located. And this is where you can create flashcards, matching card games, and if you're interested in learning more about how to do that, you can find links to videos in the description box below detailing how to utilize these tools with your students. Another layout change can be noticed right here at the bottom, where we see the board view controls. In the older version, we had two options, the grid view and the go to my board view. However, in the newer version, we not only have the grid view and go to my board option, but this is where we can also manage the boards and view page thumbnails. I'm excited about using the new layout design and am interested in hearing what your thoughts are. So feel free to drop a comment down below. And if you have not done so already, make sure to check out some of these other videos that explain how teachers have been using Whiteboard.Chat to increase classroom engagement. Thanks for watching. And remember, to continue to support my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.